Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to be blinging up our Airpod clones, our XY pods, our i10 TWS and all the others with these fancy covers. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so today we're going to be taking a look at these. Now these are 18 karat gold plated covers to be used with your AirPods and your AirPod clones. They come in a variety of colours, so we've got the black, we've got the pink, silver, gold and red. So 5 different colours to choose from, and essentially what these are, I'll get the gold ones out so you can see what they actually look like. So these are golden cutouts, which look like that. So these are designed to go inside of your AirPod or your AirPod clone case, and I've already installed on this the metallic red, as you can hopefully see. So you've got 2 pieces, one piece which goes around the bottom section and one piece which goes around the top section. So when you close the lid, it closes shut firmly, and also it blocks any dust from going down into the charging area, and also keeps your pods nice and clean, all that kind of stuff. So if you've got these in your pocket and maybe the lid is slightly loose and you get a little bit of dust in there, eventually it's going to get filthy, they're going to stop charging, all that kind of stuff. So by having that extra layer of dual metal or gold plated metal actually inside the AirPods, it just gives that little bit of like a gasket to prevent the dust ingress, and also it looks pretty cool. So this is actually quite handy if, like me, you've got quite a few different pairs and you're having trouble kind of working out which one is which. Get some of these, stick them inside, and immediately when you open them you'll know which ones they are, because you can essentially colour code your AirPods. Now these have been sent to me by the guys over at the Spinning Deal. Now I've actually got 5 of these to give away, 1 of each colour. So if you actually want some of these for your AirPods, all you need to do is be a subscriber, leave a comment in the section below and tell me why you want them, which colour you want and where you live. And when this video gets to 1,000 views, yep, that's it, just 1,000 views, then we'll be announcing the giveaway winners. So you've got to be in it to win it. So leave a comment in the section below. If you don't win these and you want to buy some of your own, or you want to buy multiple ones of them, so you want all the different colours, you can go over to the Spinning Deal. You're looking at $10 each for these in the various colours. So that's about £7 in the UK if you want to get them. Again, you've got all sorts of things like free shipping and that kind of stuff, but I'll leave links for the Spinning Deal in the section below. But if you want to win them, comment down below. So these have been the 18K protective dust guards for AirPods. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and good luck.